everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Maria Riana Mercedes. Today it's a very good day. The weather is good, and then we're going to have a walk. So, better to have a walk. Now, this is what I'm wearing for outfit. It is 6 a.m. in the morning here. The very hardworking sweep taker. I just walk from the house first. I just cook the house first before I leave. So now, maybe later I will cook when I come back home. I will cook when I come back home. Okay? Jogging. Race a bike. There's also. Ayan. You can go for walking exercise here. You consider, but I don't know where the entrance is there. This is the park here where you can do exercise, push up, walk, and have a Zumba. This place. So, going to look for the entrance. Seems like it's I want to go to the park because I am shy. There's some people are walking there doing exercise and Zumba. Hey, welcome to my live stream again. So I used to walk only. Much better. You walk very far than. But there is a lot of space there. There is a lot of space that you can use for walk and exercise. That is better. That is the park, small park in the city hall here in the San Jose, Nueva Ecija. So everyone can go there to do exercise and doing Zumba. That is free, no entrance fee. So much better. I used to walk. Big tree. Okay. So you know, I am very shy to taking video in the public, and I am also shy to do some walk and exercise there. May muta pa yata ako. Ayan po. So ayan. This is what my outfit when I do for walk. I can do jogging. If I have bike, I can do, but I don't know how to drive. I know how to drive, but not much. The bicycle only straight, but I don't know how to U-turn. Ay, nako. Okay. Ah, nako. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Later on, I'll just wait. I will upload some videos, and it was very exciting. Don't forget to watch it. Maria will disguise into man again. And oh my god, I am excited to do it. Okay, guys, and thank you for watching, and hope you had a good day. God bless us all. Bye.